Hello. So today we are going to start a new restoration process of this 6 foot chest freezer, which was so rusty on the inside because it was not being used for a long time. So you can see here now we are tearing down the inner aluminum sheets, and we will be removing the cooling part, which is the evaporator, which is also made of aluminum pipes. The fridge was so rusty on the inside because it has not been used for a long time. So today we are going to feature in removing of the evaporator, which entails the inner pipes and the aluminum sheets, and also we are going to remove the compressor, which is so rusty because the fridge was not being used and was kept outside. So some of the parts are so rusty, as you can see. So this one entails majorly on the tear down and removal of the worn out parts. So in the next video, it's where we are going to feature the full process of restoration, from painting to reinstalling the new pipes and the aluminum sheets, and also the restoration of the compressor. And finally, I'm done with the process of removing the internal evaporator pipes and the aluminum sheets. The compressor was so rusty, but in the next video you guys will see the restoration of the compressor on a new video. But to my amusement, that the compressor was still working okay and fine. The filter of this cooler was so much dirty and clogged with too much rust on the inside part. So this was also a problem that was affecting the whole free refrigeration system. The compressor oil was so old and also had so many dust particles, so that was to be replaced with a new one. And all this will be shown on the next part or the next video that is coming, together with the restoration of the compressor and repainting. So there's a part 2 that is coming soon, so stay on this channel and please subscribe.